Quick, you need to make a unit test in C#. What is it that you need to do? Assuming that you have your code already written and your method is all set up to test, the first thing you'll need to do is get the NuGet package for NUnit. So go ahead and run over and grab that. Once you have the NUnit package installed, come over and grab the NUnit 3 test adapter. Not everyone understands in Visual Studio that you're going to need both of these. Set up a new class for your calculator tests and throw your NUnit framework using statement at the top. So you'll want to set up a private variable to hold your instance of your class, a setup function that initializes that object, and then the method that you want to use that builds your actual test. And you can see here we have a good name, add two numbers and returns correct sum. And then we're setting up two variables, one holding 2 and one holding 3. And then we're calling that add method, passing over those numbers and capturing the result. So we can use the assert here that 5, which we know 2 and 3 make 5, is actually equal to the result that we're receiving. So then once you have that set up, you're ready to run your test in the Test Explorer. If you don't have this window, you can get it under the test menu and open your Test Explorer. But from in here, we can see we have one test. It hasn't been run yet. So we can run this and we can get our outcome. We can see that that passed. So that's it. You've created your first unit test. In your class, you are going to want to set up a private variable to hold the instance of your class, create a way to set up that instance, and then write your test. So add two numbers returns correct sum. If we're passing in 2 and 3, calling that calculator objects add, then we can capture the result and then we can test. Does 2 and 3 equal 5? Well, I hope so. Ready to run? Come up to Test and open your Test Explorer. You should see that Test Explorer has your test inside.